YouTube is starting to demonetize accounts of creators that have not posted for over a year. And today I was scrolling on YouTube and I stumbled upon this artist. His name is Rhino. And I noticed he was doing something really, really interesting. And I wanted to show you guys so that if you're an artist or a musician, you should start doing exactly that. So let me go to my screen and show you guys. So this is my YouTube history, and this is the guy I'm talking about. His name is Rhino. And I'm going to show you guys something interesting. So when you go to his profile, you would notice that he has not posted for like over 1 year. And then he posted this video 5 days ago and got 24K views. And then this is a 1 minute, 30 seconds video. He got 24K views and then he was like, whoa, okay, okay, I gotta start posting shit. And then he posted 2 days ago, 49K views. He posted 17 hours ago, right? So this is the funny thing. Like I can play this video for you guys to just hear it. Just got an email from Google that said I upload something in 30 days and they're gonna like take away my monetization on this channel. And I said, oh hell no, I'm not doing that. So here's an upload. And the music's coming out shortly. It's getting mixed right now. Right? So even in this video, he expected that only 4 persons are going to view the video, which is insane, right? And then he got like 24K views, which made him post this video. And then he got 49K views, and then he posted this video. So basically, this is what I'm saying. If you're an artist or you're someone who is a creative, or maybe your video output depends on you spending a lot of money, just because for artists, musicians, their music videos always takes a lot of money. It's not like us creators who just put up a camera and then shoot it in our office, right? It's quite different. They spend a lot of money. They need to hire these models. They need to get good videographers. They need to rent the space. They need to rent some cars, clothes, all of that, right? So if you are an artist, you should start doing something like this ASAP. Just because this is the reaction from his audience. Let me show you. See the reaction from the audience. I can't lie, low key, this hit deep for me. Rhino blessing us with some philosophy content. Talents plus work ethic plus courage to push it out equals to deadliest success combo. So like look at all of this. Like the fans are crazy about it. The fans are really, really crazy about it. You can see all of this reaction, all of this love from his fans, right? So if you're an artist, this is what you should be doing. Just go on there and speak to your fans, heart to heart, have a heart to heart conversation, share your thoughts with them, and yeah, and yeah, that's it. Just record and post. You don't need to wait till your next music video drops. And by the way, this is another way to promote the video or your music before it comes out, because it talks about a music that is about to release in the second video. You can go check it out. But yeah, like that's it. That's it. So I just saw this and I was like, yo, this is so interesting. And I should probably talk to you guys about it because it's content. And that's what I've been talking about. Content is the gold mine of the future now. You need to have a personal brand, you need to be putting content out, right? So I've been helping seven-figure brands with content since the past 3 to 4 years. But then I've not been putting out content. But as soon as I realized that you need content to create leverage for yourself, I started putting out content ASAP. Unedited. I was not waiting to get editors to edit my videos. I just started recording and I was putting video out. Right? So that is the future. That is the only thing AI cannot take away. And as you can see on YouTube, YouTube is really, really anti AI videos, right? So I feel like in the nearest future, YouTube, school are going to be the two platforms that would have solid human content. And they would they would have more strict rules. They will have more strict rules just because a lot of people would start putting out content. And now they will have more strict rules that every content you put out has to have value, has to impact people. You can't just come on here and put out any video you want to put out, right? And then the AI content is gonna go down. Like you heard, YouTube has been banning accounts of AI generated videos, right? So they're making it more difficult for the AI people, and kind of like making it more easier for real creators. But then as time goes on, they're going to make stricter rules and make it more difficult for even creators. So this is the best time to start. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope it's valuable, and see you guys in the next one. Ciao.